So in this video we will see how would you lock your computer. So this is a very simple shortcut key. Most of you, I think you know it, but for the beginners this could help. So if you want to lock your computer, what you generally do, you go to your start button, click on this arrow and click on lock. So your computer will be locked. And if you want to unlock it, again you have to press Ctrl Alt Delete and enter your password. Your computer will be unlocked. So instead of following the steps, we have a shortcut key. So what is the shortcut key? You see in the keyboard, that is Windows and L. So when you press Windows and L, your computer will be locked. Now to unlock it, you have to press Ctrl Alt and this delete. Now if you press this Ctrl Alt and delete, it will be unlocked. That means once you press Ctrl Alt and delete, it will ask for your password, and when you enter your password and press enter, your computer will be unlocked. So to lock it, you have to press Windows and L, and to unlock it you have to press Ctrl Alt and delete followed by your password and enter. So this is for today in this video. So to lock your computer, you have to press Windows and L. So practice at your home, and thank you very much. In the next video you will see some more shortcut keys. So thank you.